Modify slice layout. Modify slice layout. Select one or more slices. You have to do one of the following to select one or more slices. Select the slice select tool and click the slice in the image. When working with overlapping slices, click the visible section of an underlying slice to select it. Then select the slice select tool and shift click to add slices to the selection. And select the slice select tool in the Save for Web and Devices dialog box and click it in auto slice or outside to the image area and drag across the slices you want to select. And clicking in a user slice and dragging moves the slice. And then choose File and Save for Web and Devices, and in the dialog box use the slice tool to select a slice. And when using either the slice tool, by the way, or the slice select tool, you can switch from one tool to the other by holding down Control if you use Windows or Command if you use Mac operating system. Move and resize and snap user slices. Move and resize and snap user slices. You can move and resize user slices in Photoshop, but not in the Save for Web and Devices dialog box. And how to move or resize a user slice? We have steps. Step number 1. Select one or more user slices. And step number 2. Do one of the following. To move a slice, move the pointer inside the slice selection border and drag the slice to a new position, and then press shift to restrict movement to a vertical and horizontal or 45 degrees diagonal line. And to resize a slice, grab a side or a corner handle of the slice and drag if you select and resize adjacent slice common edges shared by the slices are resized together. And how to resize or move a user slice using numeric coordinates. How to resize or move a user slice using numeric coordinates. We have steps again. Step number 1. Select one or more user slices. Step number 2. Click the options button in the option bar, and you can also double click a slice to show the options. Step number 3. In the dimensions area of the slice option dialog box, change one or more of the following options. We have X and Y. X meaning specifies the distance in pixels between the left edge of the slice and the origin of the ruler in the document window. And Y meaning specifies the distance in pixels between the top edge of the slice and the origin of the ruler in the document window. Note and be careful, the default origin of the ruler is the upper left corner of the image. We have W and H. W meaning specifies the width of the slice. H meaning specifies the height of the slice. So what about snap slices to guide user slice or other object? We have also 3 steps. Step number 1. Select the options you want from the view and snap to submenu. Number 2. Choose view, then snap, and a check mark indicates that the option is turned on. Step number 3. Move your selected slices as desired. The slices snap to any of your chosen objects within 4 pixels, by the way. So how to divide user slices and auto slices? How to divide user slices and auto slices? Use the divide slice dialog box to divide slice horizontally and vertically, or both divided slices are always user slices, regardless of whether the original is a user slice or an auto slice. Note again, you can't divide layer-based slices. We have steps. Step number 1. Select one or more slices. Number 2. With the slice select tool, then click divide in the option bar. Step number 3. Select preview in the divide slice dialog box to preview the changes. Step number 4. In the divide slice dialog box, select one or both of the following options and divide horizontally and to divide the slice lengthwise, and divide vertically, and to divides the slice widthwise. And step number 5, define how you want to divide each selected slice. Select and enter a value for slices down or slices across to divide each slice evenly into the specified number of slices. Then select and enter a value for pixels per slice to create slices with the specified number of pixels. And if the slice cannot be divided evenly by that number of pixels, and the remainder is made into another slice. For example, if you divide a slice that is 100 pixels wide into 3 new slices, each is 30 pixel wide, the remaining 10 pixel wide area becomes a new slice. Step number 6. Click OK. You have to click OK now. And what about duplicate slice? What about duplicated slices? Duplicated slices, you can create a duplicated slice with the same dimensions and optimization setting as the original. And if the original slice is a linked user slice, the duplicate is linked to the same collection of linked slices, by the way. And duplicated slices are always user slices regardless of whether the original is a user slice and a layer based slice or an auto slice. We have steps again. Step number 1, select a slice or multiple slices. Step number 2, alt drag if you use Windows and or option drag if you use Mac operating system from inside the selection. Copy and paste a slice. How to make a copy and paste for the slice? You can copy and paste a selected slice within an image into another image, by the way, or onto another application such as Dreamweaver, or copying a slice copies all layers within the bounds of the slice and not just the active layer. And select one or more slices with the slice select tool and choose edit, then copy. Note: a slice can't be copied if there is an active selection in the document and a marquee pixel selection or a selected path. And number 3, do one of the following. If you want to paste a slice into another image, open and display that image anyway. And if pasting into Dreamweaver, make your Dreamweaver document the active window. Number 4, choose edit and paste. A new layer is created when a slice is pasted into a Photoshop image. Note and be careful again. A slice copied into Dreamweaver retains information about the file name and the path of the original Photoshop source file, by the way. And to view this information in Dreamweaver, right click if you use Windows or control click if you use Mac operating system the image, by the way, and choose design notch, then locate and file path filed on the all information tab. Combine slices. How to combine slices? You can combine 2 or more slices into a single slice. Photoshop determines, by the way, the dimensions and the position of the resulting slice from the rectangle created by joining the outer edges of the combined slices. And if the combined slices are not adjacent or have different proportions or alignments, the newly combined slice may overlap other slices, by the way. And the combined slice takes the optimization setting of the first slice in the series of slices you select, and the combined slice is always a user slice regardless of whether the original slices include auto slices. Note again, you can't combine layer based slices. We have 2 steps. Step number 1, select 2 or more slices. Step number 2, right click if you use Windows and control click if you use Mac operating system and choose combine slices. How to change the stacking order of slices? When slices overlap, the last slice you create is the top slice in the stacking order. You can change the stacking order to gain access to underlying slices, and you can specify which slice is on the top and bottom of the stack and move slices up or down in the stacking order. Note and be careful, you can't arrange the stacking order of auto slices anyway, and you have to select a slice or multiple slices and choose the slice select tool and click a stacking order option in the option bar. In the screenshot here now, number A is meaning stacking, is meaning bring to font, stacking order options. A is meaning bring to font, B is meaning bring forward, C is meaning send backward, D is meaning send to back. How to align and distribute user slices. How to align and distribute user slices. You can align user slices along an edge or their centers, and distribute user slices evenly along the vertical or horizontal axis by aligning and distributing user slices, and you can eliminate unneeded auto slices and generate a smaller, more efficient HTML file. Note and be careful again, to align or distribute layer based slices, align or distribute the contents of the layers. We have two steps. Step number 1, select the user slices you want to align. Number 2, choose the slice select tool and select an option in the option bar. Number A here in the screenshot, alignment options. A is meaning top, B is meaning vertical centers, C is meaning bottom, D is meaning left, E is meaning horizontal centers, F is meaning right. In the next screenshot, distribute options. A is meaning top, B is meaning vertical centers, C is meaning bottom, and D is meaning left, and E is meaning horizontal center, and F is meaning right. The same the previous screenshot. How to delete a slice. If you want to delete a slice, what should you do? When you delete a user slice or layer based slice, auto slices are regenerated to fill the document area, and deleting a layer based slice doesn't delete the associated layer. However, deleting the layer associated with a layer based slice does delete the layer based slice. Note again and be careful, you can't delete auto slices if you delete all user slices and layer based slices in an image, and one auto slice covering the entire image remains. And you have 3 steps. Select one or more slices and choose the slice or slice select tool and press the backspace key and or the delete key. Step number 3, to delete all user slices and layer based slices, choose view then clear slices. How to lock all slices. If you'd like to lock all slices, what should you do? Locking slices prevents you from resizing and moving or otherwise changing them accidentally. You have to choose view then choose lock slice.